In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Instagram Reels in Gallery without posting and how to save a draft reel with music or audio. To get started, open the Instagram app on your phone and sign in to your account if you are not already logged in. Make sure you are using the account where you want the reel draft to be stored, because drafts are saved inside that specific Instagram account and won't appear in another one. Once you're on Instagram, tap the plus or create button to start making new content. From the available options, choose Reel. This opens the Reel creation screen where you can either record a brand new video directly in Instagram or upload clips that are already saved in your phone's gallery. Choose whichever option works best for your content. After that, begin editing your reel. This is where you can customize it and make it look exactly the way you want before posting. You can add text to highlight important points, use stickers for extra personality, apply filters or effects to change the visual style, and include music or other audio if your reel needs sound. You can also add a voiceover if you want to explain something or narrate your video. Take your time here, because anything you save as a draft will keep those edits for later. When your reel is ready, tap Next. This takes you toward the publishing screen, but if you are not ready to post it yet, do not publish it. Instead, choose Save Draft. This is the key step if you want to keep working on the reel later without making it public. Once you save it, your reel will be stored in the draft section of your Instagram account. That means you can come back to it another time, reopen it, continue editing it, or prepare it for posting when you're ready. This is especially useful if you want to plan content in advance, or if you're still deciding on your caption, cover image, or final timing. One important thing to understand is that saving a reel as a draft keeps it inside Instagram. It does not automatically place the finished draft video into your phone's gallery just by saving the draft. So if your goal is to keep the project inside Instagram for later, Save Draft is the option you need, and that's it. Open Instagram, create your reel, edit it with any text, effects, music, or voiceover you want, then tap Next and choose Save Draft to store it safely in your draft section for later use.